Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I do upload new videos every single week, so stay tuned for that. Today's a very exciting day because I have so many things planned. So we are here in Toronto, and when I say we, I'm here with my mom. Say hi. So we are here in Toronto because our first stop of the day is at Fancy Face. So I'm here for a bridal makeup trial with Fancy Face, and I'm super excited. That's why I have no makeup on right now. I did my hair a little bit this morning, but after I get my makeup done, I'm gonna be taking you guys along and showing you as to what my makeup looks like and the process and things like that. And after we're done my makeup, I have a very exciting place I'm gonna be going to as well too. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm here at Fancy Face. Cannot wait to get my makeup done, so let's get into it. Just in Yorkville right now, and we're just on our way to head to a very exciting store. Got my makeup done, so stay tuned. Okay, so we are here at our next destination, which, as you can see, it is called White Toronto. So if you are from the Toronto area, you will know this place because they've got the BERTA, the GALIA LAHAV wedding dresses. Yes, did I say wedding dresses? I did. So I'm here to try on some wedding dresses and to hopefully say yes to the dress. So if you want to see as to what some of these dresses look like on me, come on in. got some red wine, and we got a margarita pizza and risotto bowls, so we had a delicious dinner. If you're in Yorkville, you gotta come check out Italy. It is so good. The aesthetic here is so great, and also I hear the Aperol Spritz is absolutely amazing here, so you gotta check that out if you come. This wine was so good. If you come on Wednesdays, it's half liter wine days or something like that. It's half the price, I think. But this red wine was delicious. Cheers. That tastes like another.